Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can do product research for Shopify dropshipping. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up a web browser of your choice. Now product research is a crucial step in Shopify dropshipping. To find a winning product, you can follow these initial steps. First, you need to do a market research. Now start identifying trending needs of product. Tools like Google Trend, Exploding Topics, and Trend Hunter can help. You can also choose the niche that aligns with your interest or a passionate audience. Look for that solves a problem to fulfill needs and all. Study successful Shopify dropshipping store using tools like Ecom Hunt, Thrive, or My Plans, etc. Now check bestseller on eBay and Amazon. If the product sells well, it might do well on Shopify as well. You can also target your audience. Now Facebook Audience Insight uses this tool to research your potential customers and understand their demographic interest and behavior. Now find relevant keywords related to your product needs, etc. Now you can also look for a reliable supplier with high reach and good track recorder. Check product review and shipping time, etc. Apart from it, you can also analyze and scale. So continuously monitoring your product performances. If a product is selling well, consider scaling your ads and expanding your product line. So these were the steps on how you can do product research for Shopify dropshipping. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.